My senior year in high school, I had a car accident. Progressively kept getting worse and worse and worse just as I got older, and it was just like always pain, always, and I was like just putting off surgery. I was having pain shoot down both sides of my neck, shoulder blades always tight, arm pain, hands freezing, tingling. I couldn't sleep at night, and like I couldn't even like lay correctly. I was always tossing and turning. Eventually it got so bad where I couldn't do anything, absolutely anything. I was constantly in pain, so I met with a surgeon. What I had done is I had a cervical neck disc replacement, and it was C5, C6. Got rid of the nerve problem, but now I still have the muscle problem where, hey, it's still pain.
So you had a really good surgeon, did great work, you replaced that disc. You got to get that scar tissue loosened up and get those muscles back so they're working, get the nerves so they can move and glide through there.
Exactly.
And that's what you experienced with the MRT. We were able to...
By far, like, yeah, I took care of the nerve problem with the surgery, with it being right on the spinal cord with the disc problem. So I took care of that. And then I just had to get the MRT to break up that scar tissue.
What does it feel like when you're actually having this therapy versus some of the other therapies you've had?
This therapy is very unique. He's breaking up the scar tissues. And what I've experienced when I go to like a hospital physical therapist, they're like, okay, here's your exercise band. You need to work on having your motion, getting your strength back, and use an exercise band. Well, you're just really masking the problem. You're just like overcompensating. This, you have some technique where it actually tears the scar tissue that's there that shouldn't be there, and then it just releases, so that way it actually has the you have more movement, more freedom. I'm actually able to play tennis, very high level, collegiately, can play with all the high level college players. No pain, I can serve with no pain. Used to hurt when I would just look up. Now I can look up all day and